Good day! This is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Finally, we have here the i8 Pro Max smartwatch. Okay, it is one of the most affordable smartwatch in the market. I think this is the Series 8. It is in the Series 8 category, and of course, we'll have the unboxing of this, checking of its specs and features. So, if you have any questions regarding this wearable, just drop a comment below and we will try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, so we have here, okay, the i8 Pro Max. As you can see, very simple packaging. It is somewhat similar to the very popular i7 Pro. Okay, so let's check. And the i7 Pro Max also, as you can see here. Okay, so let's check. Let's have its features here. Let's see if we do have it here. No. Okay, so very simple packaging only. Okay, so this is in the Series 8 category, I think. So let's open it. Okay, so we have here the user manual. I'm interested to see if what is the support app that it is using. Okay, so let's check. We do have the English language here. Okay, seems like we don't have any QR code. Let's see. Okay, so we have it here. So it is using the HRY Fine, okay, app, very popular app. We have, oh, charging cradle. Okay, still pogo pin here. Okay, magnetic. I hope it's magnetic. So we have here the smartwatch. No, it's not magnetic. Okay. Okay, seems like you don't need to remove the strap here to charge your wearable. Okay, and we have the strap here. Okay, since we still have here, okay, the sensor similar to previous smartwatches in the series 7 and 8, and we have here the connector, power connector. We have a pin, okay, somewhat similar to pogo pin. Okay, charging cable. It's not magnetic. Okay, so that's it. So let's check before we attach the strap here. It is force fitting. Let's check the dimension of this wearable. Okay, again, this is the i8 Pro Max. So let's check. Okay, what's the dimension? Is this 45 millimeter or 49? So we do have here 35 by, so we have 38 by, oops, we have 42. Okay, so we have a 42 millimeter smartwatch, not a 45. Okay, so we have a 42 millimeter smartwatch. So for the thickness, let's see, not including the heart rate, we do have 9.0. Okay, so the dimension of this one is, okay, 38 by 42, okay, by 9.0. Okay, so let's weigh the smartwatch without the strap. Let's see, we have 00 here. Okay, so we are on 28.77 grams. So with the strap attached, so let's see. Okay, we have 41.65. Just round it off to 42 grams. Okay, so let's check. Let's remove this one. Let's check the screen display here and the build. Okay, let's focus. Okay, nothing new here. As you can see, it has a familiar look. Okay, similar to Series 7. Okay, doesn't look like Series 8 at all, but Series 7. Okay, so we have the glossy finish. Okay, we have the power connector at the back, and we have here the screen display and a 2.5D tempered glass. Okay, so it has a zinc alloy frame here. We have a physical button. We have a button also here, ground button. Okay, and we do have a touchscreen support. It's available in black, rose gold, or rose green, blue, and red. IP67 waterproof. Okay, you can check all the specifications here. Okay, so let's check for the screen display. Do we have a good screen display? Let's turn it on. Do we still have a power? Okay, so we have a built-in speaker. Hello. So that's it. Okay, so the ground button works here. And you can see here the black border bezel. It's a bit wide on the bottom part. Okay. Again, let's check. Okay, do you see it here? You see the black border bezel. Okay, so it seems like the technology here is still Series 7. Okay, most of the Series 8 right now do have a very slim bezel. Okay, again, the display screen here is 1.8 inch IPS LCD. Okay, with a 240 by 285 pixel resolution. It's a decent screen display here. Very good, as you can see. Okay, it's just okay, not that impressive, but anyway, the price is very affordable for this one. So if you want an entry level or just see smartwatch, okay, a Series 8 Series 7 smartwatch clone that got the basics such as Bluetooth call, this one do have the features. Okay, it's a good pick, I think, if the Bluetooth call works. So we are going to check it out. Okay, so that's it for the unboxing. Okay, checking on the design of the i8 Pro Max smartwatch. Okay, for the full specs, check out the links below, and also check out the specs here. Okay, we listed all the specs here for its screen display and other hardware specs. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding the wearable, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries. Again, the contents are, we have the smartwatch, the user manual, and the charging cable. Okay, so that's it. So this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Bye.